Salon. This is Unity. And I'm here to do a Unity moment. Buggie's over there, y'all. Okay, so I was just telling her about this dream I had. I had a dream. Now, this is a trip. Because in my mind, everything is black. Everything. I don't care. Everything is black. But I had a dream, y'all, that the Santa Claus... What if I say this and the government come get me?
Maybe they got Santa Claus out there for real.
No, I don't think that Santa Claus had nothing to do with this.
Maybe he was an alien.
I think he was an alien. So how about I had a dream? No, I had a dream the other day. Because I have a love for reindeers. And I had a dream that this reindeer...
Dang,
it was a...
You better put some clothes on, girl.
Leave her alone. She got little insecurities.
What they gotta do with anything?
Yeah. You know me, I be picking up stuff from people. But, oh yeah, about the dream. I had a dream about this real big, huge reindeer. He wasn't as big as a moose. But he was huge. Nobody ain't got... See, you know, them Caucasian people, they love the cold. Because they ain't got a lot of melanin. We like the sun. That's why nobody ain't got no jacket on. But anyway...
We be out this bitch like, damn, it's cold.
Yeah, because, even though we had black people that lived in those places, so they was a little lighter, but they eventually... We could adapt to anything. We be some dope people.
It feels so good out here.
Mm-hmm. And they got ice dripping from their body to make it feel so good. But anyway, back to the story about the dang on Santa Claus. So I don't know why I dreamed this. I don't know why it popped up in my head. I visioned it. But it was one reindeer, and the reindeer was huge, but not big as a moose. And this Santa Claus, I looked up in the sky, and the dang on Santa Claus. I couldn't really see the Santa Claus, but I knew he was riding the sleigh. And I seen a white beard, and I seen a Santa Claus suit, and I seen a sleigh, and I seen that big reindeer. But when it went off, it left fire. It went off like a rocket. And it left a whole bunch of... It's like the grabber from the ground just came up. And then everybody was like, oh my God, Santa Claus real. And we just had our hands down like this. Because the power from the sleigh had left destruction. So, I don't know what that dream was about.
White man causing destruction.
She said typical white man causing destruction. But only thing I know is that reindeer was real. He wasn't Rudolph, even though I love Rudolph. But it was a real dream. It was a vision. So I don't know if something to go down soon for me to see that around Christmas. But whatever it is, I told y'all, prepare for the best. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. I don't care too much for that word, hope. What other word we could use instead of hope?
Why do you like hope?
It's just something about them words. Hope, maybe.
What about faith?
Hope, maybe, fear. What the other word is? It's a couple of words that just... Because, words are spelled, so we got to be careful. So, I just wanted to share that unity moment with y'all. I'll be back at y'all again, but I just had...
Put down in the comments what you think that is, because I think it was Barack Obama that was the moose. And
Barack Obama wasn't no moose, it was a reindeer. I like reindeer.
That motherfucker Donald Trump was causing destruction, trying to act like he bringing presents, but he really was bringing destruction.
Black people, we gotta make stuff deep, child. You gotta act like the man in Living Color. And the psychological part of it, the
philosophy of the denominacy of the trigonometry
is the brimstone coming from the fire and the destruction and the concrete rising up to the sky.
And the moose symbolic as a strong black man.
Black power one time, Hotep, Islam. What else are we saying? And the real true religion is Hebrew.
5%.
Nations of gods in earth. Hebrew Israelites. We the true Hebrew.
Some people, Africa,
Christianity. I heard this man on the computer this morning say, see the Christians. He say the Christians and the what's the names gotta bow down
She forgot her
to
coffee.
to God, Jesus that come. Every knee shall bow, every tongue shall confess.
What you want?
All right, y'all. Salam, salam. I talk y'all. Y'all see this girl? She is.
I'm about to win this. I'm about to win. Show them I'm about to win.
She said she finna win this thing right here. I'm trying to figure out where you drive it at.
Stick it in here, girl. You can go to another one. You go to another
She
one.
putting them in every one.
You go to each one of them.
No people gonna say disqualified, but I'm trying to figure out.
They ain't say how many entries. Now if I win, don't be trying to ride with me.
I'm trying to figure out where you ride it at. Do you ride it in the
Ride
desert?
where you want to ride to be yours.
It could be in that movie 100.
As long as you got a tag.
But he ain't got no dang on. The rain gonna hit you, the snow gonna hit you. You ain't got no dough. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna look this car up. This is a slingshot. It look like a dang on sleigh. That one wheel on the back. This girl wanna win this car and she going all around to each one.
I'm going to win this thing.
Girl, they gonna say disqualified.
No, not because I put different emails.
They don't mean that. Your name the same.
People can have.
If y'all want to buy one of these things on our head, we sell them. How much we sell them for? $5.99.
It depends on who it is.
$10.99, $5.99. If y'all need some, let us know. Oh, they got a blue one.
No, they $7.
Oh, they $7, y'all.
They're better than wearing them damn bonnets.
I like the turbans.
Because they got a little, it's have a little.
You can put that in the back too. You need
Yeah.
to do a video to show. You need to do a video to
It got a
show
little bow.
different ways you can wear it. You can wear it in the back. You can wear it on the side. Okay, y'all. I'm just showing y'all what this girl doing.